This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share with you some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe my channel. And please join my Telegram group. This link I will paste in description box. Join it for latest job update. Let's start for today's job updates. Our first job for Thidiff. This Thidiff is hiring for software tester, manual and and automation also. For fresher, location is Bangalore and mandatory skill like test case preparation, web app testing, mobile app testing, API testing, UI testing, functional testing, cross browser testing, and security testing. Uh, this is your responsibility. Design test plans, scenarios, script and procedure, executing test on secure code, analyzing test result, and reporting to the development team. Working with development team and this is your requirement like you have completed your graduation and a good knowledge of testing management and good working in critical thinking. And how to apply the job? If you click here apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job from Infosys is hiring for intern in the field of big data analyst, software testing, data analytics, data scientist, and how to apply this job. You have fill all the detail, and this is your application process. Application process. Uh, wait, and how to fill all the detail. You can click here, and you apply accordingly. And our next job from Google. Google is hiring for data analytics apprenticeship for 2023 batch. And minimum qualification you can see here. Uh, you must have completed your graduation and 1 year of relevant experience you must have and preferred. And your responsibility has you can see here and read that. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job from Helio Next is hiring for analyst job for fresher. For fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience. And your responsibilities candidate should be depth knowledge of doing patents eligibility verification with the insurance company via web, IVR, voicemail, update, and same. And mandatory skill you must have good communication skills, sound knowledge of US healthcare, and good knowledge of MS Office. Desired desired graduation desired skill like graduate you a strong person and promote positive behavior and all. And how to apply this job? You click here apply for this job and you fill all the detail. Our next job is from Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is hiring for summer analyst internship. In this program, is fully immersed or day-to-day activities. Application deadline now are open, and eligibility is 2022 May to 2023, and the location is Bangalore. This is overview of this program, and salary is 8 LPA. and and how to apply this job? You click here apply to this program and you fill all the detail. Thank you for watching this video guys. Thank you everyone.